Yes. A very good evening to all of you. How are you? Fine.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. So, it's your maths class today. You know?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
today's topic is Roman numbers. What is the topic?
Roman number.
And Roman numerals.
Roman numerals.
Yes, Roman numerals you can say. Okay. So, okay. What we will do in Roman numerals? 1.
Ma'am, we will do Hindi, Arabic numeral to Roman numeral.
Yes, we will just write Hindu Arabic numbers to Roman numerals. Okay. So, how we will
Yes,
do?
ma'am.
The symbols of that is, one is like this, I. Okay. 2 is 2 lines are here. Okay. 3 is 3 lines here. Okay. Then after 3, 4 is IV. 5 is V. 6 is VI. 7 is VII. 8 is V3I. 9 is IX. And 10 is X. I think you all know it. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
2I, 3I, IV. So, I want to ask one question from you. Can you tell me why 3I, after 3I, it is IV?
Ma'am, V.
1, 2,
Ma'am.
3. Why it is not
No,
like
ma'am. No, ma'am.
like this? It is
Ma'am,
like
because V is 5. Ma'am, V minus 1.
V minus 1. Yes. The rule of writing Roman numeral is, what is the rule of writing Roman numeral? The rule of writing Roman numeral is, we will not write any symbol more than 3 times. Okay? What is that? We will not write any symbol more than 3 times.
And 3, sir.
Okay? Okay. So, first of all, I want to show you this one. Wait. Where is it? Wait, huh? No. Where is that? Wait a minute. What is that? Yes. Can you see this chart? Can you see this chart? It is visible? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me.
No, chart is there, ma'am. No.
This one screen is not sharing. Wait. This one.
No, ma'am. No.
Okay, wait. Wait. Now it is visible? This one Roman numeral chart?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is 1 I, 2 double I, 3 I. Okay. Then 4 IV. 5 is V. So first, what I said? The first, wait. What is the first rule? The first rule is, whenever we are writing the Roman numerals, we will not write any symbol more than 3 times. It is 3 times here. You can see VIII 3 times here, not more than 3 times. Again, in 30, you can see X, but 3 not more than 3 times. It is XL now. Again here L, X only 3 times. In 300 also, C 3 times only. Okay, here also 3 times. So why we will do like this? Wait, I am telling you. So whenever we have to write 5, it is 5b. And when we want to write 4, what we will do? We will just minus.
-1.
Yes, in minus 1 will be 5 minus 1. In Roman numeral language will be like IB. Before I will be come before it. Okay, जो भी number we have to minus, we have to subtract, we will write that number in front and the bigger number in last. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
It is 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we want to write 9, so x 10 minus 9 it is. 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay. 10 minus 1 is 9. So what we will do? 10 minus 1 is ix. X is bigger and I is smaller. Okay. It is clear? Yes or no? Yes?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wait. So after it, for 10, it is x, right? For 20, it is x. So between these two numbers, if I want to write 11, it is, what is it?
Ma'am, x1.
X and I. How it is? Because x means 10. 10 plus 1. We will break it. 10 plus 1. So whenever we are adding it, 10 plus 1. So 1 will come after the 10. Okay. And if we are writing 9, so it is smaller number, right? So it is 10 minus 1. So we will write it. We will consider minus 1 is before and plus 1 in after. Okay. How we will?
Yes, ma'am.
We will consider plus 1 in after and minus 1 in before. It is like ix and it will be like xi. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If we have 12, so it will be 10 plus 2 and it will be like xii. 10 plus 2. Okay. Then 13. xii. 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay. Then 14. So I will write xii. Is it
No,
okay?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Wait. Wait.
Ma'am, we will write 15.
Yes. But how we will write?
Ma'am, xiv.
Yes, we will write like xiv. Okay. It is
Yes, ma'am.
IV because we just check 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. And it is IV. Okay. So we will do it here also. IV. Then
Yes, ma'am.
it is XV. Right. So it is for 20 XX. Okay. For 16
Yeah.
it is XVI. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
It will be XVI. For 17, it will be XVI. For 18, it will be XV triple I.
XV triple I.
Yes, now?
Ma'am, XIX.
Yes, XIX. And for 20, it is X.
MXX.
Yes, very good. You know? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
it is the turn of 21 to 30. So, from 21 to 30, it is also like this. Okay.
Ma'am, XXI 21.
21 is XXI. Who is
Ma'am,
Ritunjay?
XXII.
Yes. Now Ritunjay will tell me 23.
Ma'am, X X I. Triple I. Ma'am, triple I.
Yes, X triple I. Okay. Akshit.
Ma'am, double X.
Hmm?
Ma'am, double X. Ma'am,
Yes.
23 double.
Yes, sorry. Yes, 24 is
Ma'am, XXIV.
SXIV. 25.
Ma'am, XXV. Ma'am, XXV.
Yes, Ritunjay 26.
Ma'am, XXVI.
Yes. Akshit 27.
Ma'am, XXV double I.
XXV double I. Ritunjay 28. Fast.
Ma'am, XXVII.
29. Akshit. Akshit 29. Turn on the mic.
Ma'am, XX.
IX. Right? XXIX.
Yes.
Okay. Ritunjay 30 will be
Ma'am, triple X.
triple X. Very good. So after it, from 31 to 39, it will be like it. Okay. But after 39, if we will write 40, so 40 means 50 minus 10.
Ma'am, XL.
Yes, so it will be
XL.
yes. Because it is XL because 50 means L. The meaning of 50 is L.
L.
So 50 minus 10. So 50 is L.
XL.
10 is L.
Ma'am,
L.
50 minus 10.
Yes, it is XL. 50 minus 10 is 40. It will be
40.
XL.
XL.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now after it,
Um,
I'm sharing the screen, huh? Thorough. Yes. Here. So if it is 60, it is showing. If it is 60,
ma'am.
10 plus 50. 50 plus 10 is 60. LX. Okay. So,
L.
so if we have 40, so clear it in your mind. It is just clear it that if it is 40 means minus 10. So we will write whenever we are writing minus 10, minus 100, minus 1. Okay. So जिस number को हम minus कर रहे हैं, that number will be in front. Okay. And the bigger number will be in last. Okay. If it is 40, so 40 is 50 minus 10. So symbol of 50 is L. Okay. And the symbol of 10 is X. So X in front and L is
XL.
okay. Here 60 means 50 plus 10. Okay. So 50 plus 10, it is 50 and 10. LX. It is like this. Okay.
Ma'am, 70 LXX.
Yes. 80 L triple X. Now 90 and 100 here. So
Ma'am, C means 100.
C is 100. So 90 will be
XC.
C.
XC.
Right. Clear?
Ma'am, 100 means C.
Yes. Now 200 is CC.
Ma'am,
300 is
CC.
C. And
Triple C.
is
CD.
CD. Why? Because 500 is D. 500 is D.
D.
Okay? Then it is 500 minus
Ma'am
100
D.
minus
Ma'am
C.
D.
It is CD. Okay? And 600 is DC.
Ma'am D C C.
700 is D double
Ma'am
C.
D is the
800
triple
is
C.
900
Triple
is
C.
CM. Why
CM.
CM? Because
Ma'am
1000
M
is
means thousand. C means hundred. Ma'am V minus 100 and 100 means C.
and 1000 means M. Okay? So,
Yes,
1000
ma'am.
minus 100 is CM. Okay?
CM.
So, this is the table of main symbols. I1 means I, 5 means V,
V
10,
10x.
L
50
means
L.
50, C means
100
100,
C.
yes, D
500
means
T.
500, M means
1000 M.
10. Okay, it is clear?
Ma'am, can you give an example?
Yes, I am giving you example. Wait, this is the question. Do this in your notebook and then tell me. 1 to 5 is for Ritunjay and 6 to 10 is for Akshit. Tell me. Do it fast in your notebook. Try to do it in your notebook if you want to do. You want to do it in your notebook?
Solution. Ma'am, down is written solution.
Yes, but I am not showing you, no? I know solutions are written. You will tell me, na, first. Wait. Now. First of all, you try to do it, then I will show you the solutions. Okay? Okay? Do it. Try to do it. First to fifth is for Ritunjay and 6th to 10th is for Akshit. Okay? Do it. Can you do it verbally? आप लोग verbally कर सकते हैं इसे? Ritunjay and Akshit? You can do it verbally
Yes,
also?
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, Ritunjay, come back. Do it verbally. Ritunjay, come back. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first one is for Ritunjay 34. It will be
Ma'am, triple X. Ma'am, IV.
yes, triple X IV because it's 30 plus 4. 30 is triple X and 4 is IV. Okay. Then 195. Akshit.
95. Ma'am, zoom karo.
195. So for 100 it is C. Okay.
C.
For 100 it is C. And for
C.
90, what will be here? For 95. What is for 90? First is for 90. What is for 90?
Ma'am, 90.
Wait.
Ma'am, X.
Look. It is 195. So you have to break it. How? 100 plus 90 plus 5. Okay? 100 means you know C. Now you want to find 90. 90 means 100 minus 10. Okay? 100 is C and minus 10 is X. So it will be XC and 5 is V. It will be easier to you. Okay? If you will break it down, it will be easier.
Do like this.
Yes. If you will do like this, it will be easier. Okay? Now it is 276. Yes, Ritunjay.
Ma'am, double C, L, double X, V, I.
Okay. Very good. 46, Akshit.
Ma'am, 46. Ma'am,
Hmm.
L.
46 means 40 plus 6. So for 40, it is 50 minus 10. 50 is LX. So it will be XLVI. Okay. Wait. I am showing you a video about it. It will be helpful. Okay. Wait. See the video.
Who's ready to hatch some cool pets? Click here to make your very
Today, let us revise and understand more about Roman numerals. We know that the ancient Romans used letters to write numbers. Even today, the building date on monuments and public buildings is marked in Roman numerals, and we also use Roman numerals in clocks and watches. Here are the letters used to write the numbers. The symbol I is equal to 1. V is equal to 5. X is equal to 10. L is equal to 50. C is equal to 100. D is equal to 500. And M is equal to 1000. We need to remember 3 rules while writing the Roman numerals. 1. Rule of repetition. 2. Rule of addition. 3. Rule of subtraction. Let us learn each rule one by one. Rule 1. Rule of repetition. 1. When a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. For example, M is equal to 1000. MM is equal to 1000 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2000. MMM is equal to 1000 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3000. 2. Symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. For example, we can write 1 as I, 2 as I, and 3 as I in Roman system, but we cannot write 4 as I. 3. The symbols V, L and D are never repeated. That is, symbols for 5, 50 and 500 cannot be repeated. This means that we do not write the number 10 by repeating V, but as X. Now, let us look at the second rule. Rule 2. Rule of addition. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. Let us consider xi. X has a value of 10. I has a value of 1. So, the Hindu-Arabic number for this Roman number is 11. Finally, we have the third rule. Rule 3. Rule of subtraction. 1. If a symbol of smaller value is to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value. For example, let us take the number xc. X has a value of 10 and C has a value of 100. So, xc will be 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. 2. The symbols V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. For example, 95 cannot be written as 100 minus 5 is equal to VC. 95 should be written as 90 plus 5 is equal to XCV. 3. I, X and C are used to subtract. There are just 6 combinations. IV is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. IX is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. XL is equal to 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. XC is equal to 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. CD is equal to 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. CM is equal to 1000 minus 100 is equal to 900. Now, if larger Roman numerals are given, how do we read and write them? Look at example 1. What is MCM XXXI equal to? Keeping in mind the rules explained earlier, we first write this number into thousands, hundreds, tens and ones as M plus CM plus XXX plus I in order to solve it further. Now, let us write down the values of the respective numerals. The value of M is equal to 1000. CM is 1000 minus 100, which is equal to 900. XXX is 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is equal to 30. And lastly, the value of I is equal to 1. On adding 1000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 1, we get the answer as 1931. Now, let us look at another example. Write 3817 in Roman numeral. We first write the number 3817 in expanded notation as 3000 plus 800 plus 10 plus 7. Now write the Roman numeral values of each, that is 3000 as MMM, 800 as DCCC, 10 as X and 7 as VII, which is equal to MMM DCCC XVII. Wow! It was so much fun to learn Roman numerals.
Ma'am, can we do now exercises?
Yes, now we can do exercises. So, wait.